everyone. So I know I didn't make a video about this update, but I just didn't feel like it this week. But to make up for that, I made this huge thing to get up to the lantern. Look, let me show you it. So first, you take here, grab up to here, then go on this one, up to here, go right here to grab on here, and then here, and this one you can just climb it if you want. Ah, why did I fly? Why did I fly? Why did I fly? I accidentally just flew. You have to do it all over again. Stop. Yo. Come on. Okay, got there. Got there. Got there. Got here. Okay, this time I'm gonna stick to this side. And then I can get to the lantern. Okay. I don't know why it looks different, and I swear, bro, if this gets me like weirdly kicked out, somehow I'm gonna be so mad. No! No! I don't know why I did that. I just tried to climb further up. Wait, it's like just keep going up. But in Gorilla Tag, it's easier. And bye-bye, kid. Oh wait, this was the final. Oh no, it wasn't. Now I'm gonna try to take the elevator. Okay, at least I landed on here. Maybe. No. No. I failed again. I don't know why I put this here, but I failed miserably that time. I don't know why I took the elevator. Come on. Okay, at least I saved it. Whew. Okay. Then get up to here. I'm gonna take the risky path. I shouldn't have taken it. Okay, I might have just landed. No. No. I gotta stop doing that. Actually, no. Okay, anyway, this is it in normal size. Wait. Sorry. This just gotta go. And then I just gotta climb at the end. Wait, can I just climb? Oh yeah, I just suck. Okay, so go up. And also this way is faster. Come on, I can make it. And then I just climb for here. Oh frick. Get up here. You know, I could build higher. I don't know why I said hider. No. Okay, now I don't wait. I might build higher. If I build higher, I'm gonna have to jump off. I'm taking this for the team. Bye. Why didn't I grow? Okay, but now, as I don't have any more of those big blocks, actually no, there's probably some on this tree house. Sure. Go. Okay, climb all the way to the top. Bro, when I built this out of my like literal mind, like I had to, like I actually had to use brain cells, and you know that's impossible for me. See, I'm trying to get up to there. Okay, wait, I may only actually wait. I don't know. I might. Okay, yeah, wait. I'm just gonna add like an extra path because I just wanna be kind of stupid. Okay, come on. No. Oh, okay. What? Okay, let me just put that right there real quick. Oh. Forget this. I don't feel like risking it, so I'm just going for it. And then all I need is the final piece and little wooden floor. Oh my god, but this is so tall. Okay. Oh my god. What? Oh, I didn't even go in it. That was actually epic. There. This is my final attempt. I should be able to make it to the top and then do what I'm trying to do. Okay, come on. Okay, up there. I made it. Come on. Okay. Climb. Okay. Now, all I gotta do is climb up here. Jump. And I've made it. Whoa. Help. Man, bro. Wait, I want to try that again, bro. That was actually pretty fun. You know, before this all disappears. What? Oh my god. Okay. No. But yeah, it didn't work. So yeah, I'm about to just do this one more time. And then I'm about to end the video. This was really fun though. Okay. Then this is the final time. Goodbye, everyone. See you later.